Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Yashashya and I'm a team lead here at OnceHub. And today in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can request a reschedule from your client directly from within your OnceHub account. This is really helpful when something comes up on your end and you need client to pick a new time without needing to manually reach out to them. So let's quickly see how it works and how exactly it is done from within your OneSub account. So log into your OneSub account, you would be taken to this home page. From the home page, from the top left corner, click on scheduled meeting and search for the meeting that you are looking to request a reschedule from your client. So this is the meeting that we would be requesting a reschedule on. So as soon as we click on the hyperlink which says cancel request reschedule, so it gives us two options, either to completely cancel the meeting or cancel this meeting and send a reschedule request to your client. So let's quickly select the option to request a reschedule, mention a reason, and follow the on-screen instructions. So this booking would be canceled and a new reschedule request would be sent to your clients. You can close this pop-up. Now let's quickly see how things shows up on your client's email. So as you can see, this is the email that we have received as a client to request or to reschedule the meeting. So once we click on reschedule now, it should take us to the booking page with the available time slots that are there. And your client can simply select another time slot to book the meeting. And that's it. Requesting a reschedule from your client is quick, simple, and keeps everything organized in one place. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.